Hey guys, today I will be unboxing a Cirago dual hard drive docking station. Now this version I have is a USB 3.0 version. So, take it out. Get out here. Here it is. Cirago. This is the 3.0. There's also the regular USB 2.0 version, but I have the 3.0 version here. Alright, let's open it up here. Here it is. You can see it's labeled here A and B, because you can see on the side here there's a clone button. So when you put both drives in, you hit your clone button and it'll clone that drive from drive A to drive B here. And it also has LED lights at the side here to let you know the power, the disk source, target disk, and the percentage. Okay. Now in the back, you have your USB 3 connector right here, on and off, and where your power cable goes. Alright. Now let's see what else is in here. Here's your power cable. Your USB cable. And they also send you the software in it, where you can use just this standalone dock here and hit your button. You don't have to use the software, but they also include the software that you can install on your computer. Now it suppose it's the whole 3.5 and 2.5 drives, so we'll see real quick here. My 3.5 drive here. Oh, it fits perfectly. Now 2.5. Oh, it also works. So I have a 2.5 and a 3.5 hard drive put in here. Now let's put in a SSD drive, because SSD drives are usually smaller. Let's see how it fits. Put my SSD drive here. Oh, not too bad. Yeah, SSD drive's in. And it's in there pretty good. The SSDs you don't have to worry about shaking, but these older drives you do. But SSDs you don't have to worry about. As long as it's connected, it's good. But it's my 3-point drive's in there pretty good, so I'm not worried about it shaking or anything. But yeah, it holds 3.5 and 2.5 drives, SSD drives. And remember guys, this one, all you have to do is power it up and hit your clone button here. As long as you have two drives, A drive with the files you're going to transfer to the B drive, all you need to do is press the button and it will clone that drive. You don't have to hook it up to the PC, but it also comes with the software for that. But it's a standalone cloning device, so you don't have to have it hooked up to your PC. So that's the reason I got this one. Okay, I thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope this helps you. And as always, bye bye.